Hello children, now going to start chapter 6, that is sets. Okay, now understand what is set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. What is well-defined? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Well-defined objects. Okay, what is well-defined, children? Well-defined means it should be clear. Like if I will ask you the collection of tall students of your class, is it set or not? Collection of tall student of your class. Many are tall, many students are tall, so this is not well defined. So when it is, the statement is not well defined, that is not a, it does not form a set. Is that okay? If I would ask the collection of students of your class with heights between 135 centimeter to 160 centimeter, then would you say that this is set or not? Yes, this is well defined because I have given 135 centimeter to 160 centimeter, means it is well defined, so it forms a set. I think it is clear what is set. So set is a collection of well defined objects. Many questions like that you can make by yourself. Like if I would ask how many good students in your class? This is set or not? Many good students are there because good is a type of adjective. So many students are good. So this is also not well defined, children. So this is not a set. Okay. You can think more examples. Now what is element? Set, the objects like numbers, names, etc. used to form a set are called elements or a member of the set. Okay. In general, a set is represented by capital letters of English alphabet. The elements of the set are written inside curly braces. The elements always written in a curly braces. Like if I would ask you to write A is the set of names like John, Geeta, Amit, Rohit. So I will write like this: A equal to, in a curly braces. Okay, write the name, any name you can write. Rita, you have to put comma. Geeta, okay, Amit, Sumit, and close the curly braces. Clear, children? So make sure set is always a number of elements or members, and it will be inside the curly braces separated by commas. Clear? If V is the set of vowels, suppose I want to write vowels, so V is the set. V is the set of vowels. V, you know vowels: A, comma, E, comma, I, O, U. I hope it is clear up to here. Okay. Now this is the symbol. This symbol means belongs to. Okay. And this symbol cut like this means not belongs to. Not belongs to. Clear? Means this symbol belongs to set, and this symbol means does not belongs to set. Okay, children? So X, suppose X is a member of the element. Okay, X is an element belong to set A. Suppose X, any element belong to set A. So X belongs to A. If X does not belong to set A, so you will write X not belongs to set A. Clear? Now there are the two types of sets. First is roster or tabular form, and second is rule method or set builder form. So first I understand types of sets. Types of sets. First is roster form. It is very simple. Roster form, or you can say tabular form. Roster form you make sure it will be always in a curly braces and separated by commas. Clear, children? If I will take set A equal to numbers like 2, 5, 7, 9, 15. Okay. So what is this? 2, 5, 7, 9, 15 is a set of natural number. Clear? If I will write, would like to write, so W, set W means whole number. So whole number, you know, started from 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 dot. It is go infinitely. There is no end of set of whole number, set of integers, set of natural numbers. If I would write, I would like to write n is the set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. It will go infinite. So this is not end of it. So order may be anything. Suppose I would like to write set A is the number A, B, C. Okay. So in any order you can write, no problem. B, A, C, or you can write C, A, B. Clear, children? Or C, B, A. So order may be changed. So order in which the elements of a set are written in is not important. So it represents the same set. It is represented as a same set. Clear? An element of a set is written only once. Second rule is you have to write only one time. Suppose set A is an element set written only once. I will take any number like 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 2. So see, children, 2, 2, 2, 3 times repeated, 3 also 2 times repeated. So when you will write in a roster form, you make sure you will write only one time any number or any letter. So 2 times written, but you write only once. Okay, 2, 3 and 4. This is the rule, children. Don't forget. If suppose any name, set B is the name, I will take Allahabad. Okay, Allahabad. Now see here, how many times A repeated? A 3 times. Okay, L double times, A 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times A. So don't repeat the letter. What you will write? You write A, L, H, B and D. Clear? So this is a rule of roster form, or you can say tabular form. Now second type is set builder form, or set builder form, or you can say rule method. Okay, set builder form or rule method, you can say. So in this method, children, in this form, the actual elements of the set are not written. Like actual element here written, it in this form not written, but a statement or a formula or a rule is written in the briefest possible way to represent the elements of the set. Like let A be the set of natural number less than 7. Like in a statement, and you have to represent this elements in a statement form or in a formula form. Let A is a set of natural number less than 7. So set A is the natural number. Set A denote as a x. X such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than 7. Because here written set of natural number less than set of natural number less than 7. So in statement you will write in the formula x such that, this is a symbol, the symbol means such that. Okay, and already explained, this symbol means belongs to natural number and x less than 7, because x is the element represented as a element. Clear? So you will read as a x such that x belongs to n and x less than 7. Clear? Any more? Suppose set A is the 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see what is 2, 3, 4, 5 children. You have to write in set builder form. In short, I am writing here set builder form. So 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. It is started from 2, 3, 4, 5. It is less than 6 and less than 1. Okay. So you will write like this: x such that x belongs to, and you know this is a natural number. So x belongs to natural number, and comma, put comma here, 2 less than equal to x less than 6. Not equal to. Equal to means 2 is included. But here 6 is not present. So don't write here less than equal to 6. Clear children? Less than equal to 6 don't write here because 6 is not here. X less than 6. But 2 is included, that's why 2 less than equal to x less than 6. Or you can write like that in this manner: 1 less than x less than 6. This is also one of the way to write. Clear? So one more. C is the set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Clear? Now write it in set builder form. So x such that x 2n minus 1, n belongs to capital N, that is natural number, and n less than equal to 6. Curly braces close. Clear? Now this is the way to write 2n minus 1. Why I have written? Because 2n, put the n value, any value, 0, 1, 2. Suppose you will take 0. It will be minus 1. So take 1. Okay. N value take 1, 2, 3 like that. If you will put n here, n value 1, 2 1 ja 2, 2 minus 1, 1 you will get. If you will put 2 here, 2 2 ja 4, 4 minus 1 that is 3. If you will put 3, 2 3 ja 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. So that is why you have to think in this manner. Clear? So solve some questions given in examples. Solve by yourself. Is there any doubt? You can ask in group. Okay.